Hello friends everywhere watching. Welcome to our video today, December 17, 2020. Now what do you notice, friends? These are economic trees that were planted by our agricultural forestry students here in Pugu National High School, Philippines, way back 30 years ago. They were taken care of by the succeeding batch of students. That's why these trees are now serving the very purposes for why they were planted here. They were planted here purposely. First, these trees will provide shade to us much more during summertime. That's why during summertime, sunny days, the students flock here, take their lunch and relax and read their notebooks, study. Because the air in this atmosphere is cold and refreshing. Number two, this trees gives us very fresh and cold oxygen air for us to breathe in. Their leaves emit oxygen to freshen the atmosphere. Third, forest trees and vegetations are the main source of oxygen that forms the ozone that is protecting our earth from the killer ultraviolet rays of the sun, or simply the heat of the sun. Number four, our massive forest lands will regulate sudden climate change. Climate change nowadays is now a problem throughout the globe. That's why forest lands have the greatest role in the regulation of sudden climate change. Number five, economic trees. Economic trees are our main source of construction materials for shelter in all. Number six, it serves as habitat for wildlife. Birds, monkeys, and all other edible animals must be allowed to inhabit our forest lands. Number seven, holder of the mountain slopes. The roots of these trees are the main holders of the soil in this sloping terrain. As you see those roots, massive roots holding the soil to avoid erosion in the mountainsides or slopes. That's why trees have the greatest roles in holding the soil in the mountainsides. Dear friends, let us help one another in the maintenance of our forest lands for a balanced ecosystem. Condition, friends, without this tree, for sure the soil here in the slope or sloping terrain will continue to erode, as we see now in this video. That's why if we intend to plant, rather to harvest our trees, we have to plant more trees before we are going to cut down those matured ones. Friends, that's how important forest trees are. Let us help one another in the preservation of our forest lands worldwide. Please subscribe to our video. God bless us all.